neighborhoods. You mentioned we have storms today.
Yeah, even some more severe storms dumping some hail out there this afternoon. Here in the metro, at times it looked like it was going to do something as some showers were trying to edge into Albuquerque, but as they did so, they pretty much just fizzled out. But we do have a new storm popping up along Interstate 40 and just to our east between Edgewood and Moriarty. This will be impacting Moriarty. So again, that could be a strong storm dumping a lot of heavy rain and frequent lightning. So be sure to stay indoors and away from windows. We did have a severe thunderstorm warning with this storm that's going to impact Fort Sumner, but it is losing some of its strength. But still, if you're in Fort Sumner, get ready for a heavy downpour. And again, stay indoors and away from windows with those strong gusty winds. And then around the northern mountains, we did have some stronger thunderstorms earlier this afternoon, but some light to moderate rain falling in places like Cuesta and some rain moving into Taos right now as we speak, and then some light spotty action around the Gila. So still enough moisture and energy in place to spark those hit or miss storms, and we'll have that chance once again for the second half of your weekend. Here's a wider view of what's going on. We had those storms firing first around the northern mountains and also along the east mountains. You can see most of the action now shifting to far eastern New Mexico, and then just some light spotty activity off to our west southwest. So just keep that rain gear nearby. Just keep your eye to the sky as you head outdoors. And if you do run into a heavy downpour, there is that chance for some flooding. So we do have flood advisories right now. Those last for another hour or so. So do not cross any flooded roadways and stay away from the arroyos. Where it is raining, temperatures not too bad. In the middle 70s right now in Las Vegas, 72 in Ruidoso. But where we didn't see much rain, like here in Albuquerque, we're in the 90s, 95 in Roswell. Carlsbad, you hit 101 today. And right now you're sitting at 99. And we're also in the upper 90s in Alamogordo and Las Cruces. So if you're headed out to Summerfest tonight or the Isotopes game, it is going to be a hot one out there. Temperatures into the upper 80s. Only a slight chance for a spot shower here in the metro. Most of the action will be in eastern New Mexico. And then as we head into your Sunday morning, heading out for that early morning walk or run or out to church or breakfast, temperatures not too bad into the upper 60s, but we're going to be heating up quickly tomorrow once again back into the middle 90s. The reason for the heat is because of this area of high pressure. It's just going to be hanging out all weekend long with us here in New Mexico, but we still have enough moisture in place in the state that we could see some hit or miss storms basically around the mountains into northeastern New Mexico. It's not going to be a complete washout. Not everybody's going to see the rain, but we will have that chance for tomorrow and also as you head back to work on your Monday. But this area of high pressure is going to keep the chance for some triple-digit heat in parts of southern New Mexico for tomorrow and Monday, so be sure to take it easy as you head outside. Here's a look at Super Storm Track beginning at 7 o'clock on your Sunday morning. Again, nothing going on tomorrow as you head out the door first thing, but as we head into the lunchtime hour around 2 o'clock and also into dinner time, seeing that chance for some storms basically around the northern mountains into far northeastern New Mexico. Most of us will be dry as we head into tomorrow afternoon with most of the action staying to our north and to the northeast. Into Farmington, temperatures climbing into the middle 90s tomorrow with a slight chance for a spot storm. 91 in Gallup, 90 degrees in Grants, upper 80s. And Cuba, and that chance for storms will continue on Monday, but a better shot for actual wetting rains possible on Wednesday and Thursday. Over to the southwest, triple-digit heat in Tierra and Socorro, a slight chance for a few storms basically around the Gila. We'll have a few isolated storms on Monday and Tuesday, but a better shot for rain by the end of the week into the southeast. Roswell, you'll hit 100 degrees for tomorrow. Carlsbad, you'll get close, lower 90s in Lovington and Hobbs, and then into the northeast. We could have another round of some storms tomorrow. Some of them could be on the strong to even severe side, but it's not going to be widespread. Over to the northern mountains, kind of like today. We'll start out dry and quiet by tomorrow afternoon. We're talking about that chance for more storms. And then into the east mountains, a slight chance for a few spot storms tomorrow. The bigger story will be those temperatures climbing into the middle 90s. And then in the metro, a slight chance for an isolated storm, but we're going to be well above our average high temperature, which is 90 degrees. We're going to be in the upper 90s, and then check that out on Tuesday, Crystal, flirting there with 100 degrees. We could hit 99. So a little bit different this week than last week, but still rain in the forecast for parts.
Okay, thanks so much, Chris. Here's Lawrence with